Hello everyone, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 3rd November 2022. Today's my Viva topic is polymorphism in Java. So I can tell you polymorphism in Java. This is the OOPS concepts in the Java. So polymorphism in the Java concept by which we can perform a single action of the different ways. So different ways. Polymorphism derived from the two Greek words in the poly and forms. Poly and forms. The word poly means many and more means forms, as the polymorphism means many forms. There are the two types in polymorphism in Java. So we can perform the polymorphism Java method overloading and method overriding. So first is the compile time polymorphism. This is the type also known as the static polymorphism. Static polymorphism. This is the polymorphism achieve function overloading or operator overloading But Java does not support the operator overloading. What is meant by the method overloading? When there are the multiple function, the same name but the different parameter, then the function are the set to the overloaded function can overloaded by change the numbers argument or change in the type arguments. Let's the type argument. So let's about the upcasting before runtime polymorphism. Next is what is meant by upcasting. So upcasting, if the reference variable of the parent class refers to the object of child class, is known as upcasting. So next method is runtime polymorphism. So it is also known as the dynamic method of dispatch. Dynamic method of the dispatch. It is process which function called the overriding method result runtime. So what is meant by method overriding? The method overriding is the on the other occurs when the derived from class the definition for the one class member function of the class function is set to be the overriding and is known as the method overriding. In this method overriding, so this is the different is the overriding or overloading. The next is overloading. The overloading, there are the multiple functions with the name but different parameter. The function are the set to be the overloading function can be the overload by change the number of argument and change the different type arguments. This is the overloading or overriding the different ways in this polymorphism. So thank you.